Hello, Forever World. Hey, guess what? We are here to talk to you about one of those 5 things we were talking about, how we want to improve and do better in 2022. And today I have this guy right here, Gary Shreve, who you know is in charge of the manufacturing, of the aloe fields, of FD, of FN. You got a lot on your plate, man, I tell you what. But I just first want to say a big thank you to you and to your whole staff. They have done an amazing job through the pandemic. They never stayed home. They were always there making sure product kept flowing to everyone. And so I know all of them out there want to send a big thank you to them also. I know you just got back from Ava and you've been traveling a little bit and seeing what's going on and trying to make things better. Why don't you tell our Forever World what's going on with the manufacturing?
Well, Greg, first off, thank you for recognizing our great staff around the world. They've done a great job through the pandemic. As you look around the globe at all the shipping delays and supply issues, they've done an excellent job keeping our great products flowing. Real quick, just kind of going around the world, Aloe Vera of America, we have had some great investments over this last year in equipment to make sure the products are flowing and making sure we're running it efficiently. Mainly in our lab, we've, as you know, made some large investments in our lab to make sure that we always have the very best quality products. Forever Direct, let's jump over to Europe for a minute. As we've seen the growth in Europe and particularly the increase in the supply and demand of nutritional products, we've increased our ability to over-label the products there as we see more and more countries through their regulatory efforts requiring this. Also, we've been able to increase our capacity to be able to fill the orders for our order fulfillment countries that we ship directly to our FBO. So a great job. A shout out to our great employees of Forever Direct. Forever Nutraceuticals here in Phoenix. Also some great investments in machinery, which I'll come back and talk about in a minute with a little surprise, I think, at the end, Greg. But they're doing a great job. And in our aloe fields, you and I had the opportunity just a few months ago to go down and visit the aloe fields. We have been planting more aloe plants as we've seen the demand for aloe increase. And so just to make sure that we are well prepared into the future as we look to the growth.
And they looked amazing too, those aloe plants. Wow. I was really excited. Now, Gary, we introduced some new products recently, and you need to give them an update on what how those new products are going.
You betcha. Well, first we introduced the body wash and the body lotion, which have been received.
Love it.
Yeah, people love it around the globe. So they're rolling out through all the countries now. They'll be coming to your country very soon if they're not there yet. You also know, Greg, we launched the new aloe mango flavor. Oh. I know you love it. I love it. One of our favorites, right? That also now in the last month has started to roll out to additional countries. So we're excited to get it to you in your hands so you can enjoy it and also into your clients' hands because they will love this new mango aloe flavor. Now, one of them that we just recently launched was the Forever Marine Collagen. And I have to tell you, as you know, Greg, this exceeded our expectations. When we went through and we were forecasting for and planning for sales.
So hard to do.
And you know, it is a difficult process, right? But when we ordered it, it came in and it blew out the doors in a few weeks. We had another supply come in, it went out the door again in another couple weeks. But I'm so excited to tell you that we have made a massive investment in a big lot that's going to be coming here shortly. So we will be able to start rolling it out probably February, March into the rest of the world. And this was a big commitment on Gregg's behalf, the company's behalf, because it was a significant investment of cash to be able to make sure that we get that out there and get it into your hands. The one thing I would tell you is this, share it, because we have seen great results. The feedback that we've had from our FBOs has just absolutely been fantastic.
Yeah, it's a great product, excellent product, and so exciting to see all these new excellent products. Not just one that sits on the shelf, but one you really use, you see, you get benefits, and it's been awesome. And speaking of new products, we have our rally coming up Abu Dhabi in May. And, you know, what can you tell them? What can they expect to see with new products?
Huge announcement here, guys. Are you ready? Come to the rally. Tune in for the rally. You'll see it. But I can't tell you this.
Oh, man.
I can't tell you this. In my 24 years of Forever, honestly, this is one of the most revolutionary products, systems that we're going to launch. It's not just one product. It's multiple products that we've been developing, as you know, Greg, for probably 3 years we've been in this process. And this is truly a game changer for you, your clients. I would argue that it is one of the biggest announcements we've ever made in forever in regards to a new product, and probably the biggest announcement in the last 15 years or so. So we're really excited about it. Make sure you tune in for the rally. You're going to want to be there. One of the great things too is even working through the challenges we see in the world right now with supply issues, we're very confident we're going to have it ready to rock and roll when the rally comes to be able to get out into their hands. So we're really excited about it, guys. You're going to absolutely love it.
It sounds awesome. We can't wait for rally now. Hey, thank you, Gary, your whole team. We really appreciate it. Keep those products flowing in 2022 because I know they're going to sell a heck of a lot of them. Thank you, guys. See you soon.
Thank you.